Hi, this is Andrew from pandacomputers.com and welcome to our YouTube channel. We haven't done much in a couple of years, but starting in 2019, today is June 10th, we're going to start putting up new videos. What does that mean for you? Well, I had a computer shop for over 25 years and I closed it about a year and a half ago. But I'm finding out that there's many people out there that still need computer help, and the help they're finding is just not that good. There's thousands and thousands of videos out there that just aren't very helpful. They either have robot voices, or they don't stay on track, or they have techno babble that nobody can understand. A lot of it I can't even understand, and I've been in the business 25 years. So what I did is I've come out of retirement to bring you computer information that's helpful in black and white. Now what does that mean? Well, hang in and I'll tell you as we go along. Now what's coming in 2019 is a series of videos that have to do with home computers, home repair, maintenance, uh, lots of different things that'll help you at your home. There's a lot of companies out there that'll help you with this stuff, but honestly, with the way technology is, and as long as we've had computers, you can do a lot of it yourself at little or no cost. There's many companies out there years ago that took advantage of people not knowing about it and are now being sued because of the exorbitant prices that they charge. Currently, there's still companies out there that charge hundreds and hundreds of dollars to repair your computer when a simple few dollars in a couple of hours you can do it yourself. Who am I? My name's Andrew, and I owned Panda Computers for over 25 years in a small town in Washington State. I've spent over 25 years in the computer and electronics industry and had an ISP 12 of those 25 years as well. So I pretty much have known and seen just about everything. Now, do I know everything? Absolutely not. But I know a lot, and I know more than most people do. Through these videos, I'll help you understand what I know, but in black and white. I'll try to break it down to the simple possible thing that most people that can use their computers can repair or do maintenance on their computers. There'll be a few things I'll recommend you'll take to a professional, but about 90% of it you can do yourself and save hundreds of dollars a year. Now, what did I do in my store? I did a little bit of everything. I did a lot of virus removal, malware removal, spyware removal. I did a lot of data recovery, built new systems and repairs. And I'll show you how to do all of that and how you can do it yourself. I'll show you what you need to do, what you must do, and what you can do if you have the money and the time. I'll help balance what is able between money, time, and the desire you have for your computer. Now, we'd all like to have the fastest, most expensive computer out there, but we just don't have the money. We may not have the time or may not have the place. But you know what? You can put a pretty fast computer together today with the new technology. You can upgrade a lot of your older computers to be as fast as the new ones. And there's many, many other things that I can help teach you. Where did I do it? Like I said, I had a small computer store about 800 square foot in a little strip mall in my hometown. I worked from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, sometimes weekends and sometimes late into the night. I helped thousands of people with their home PCs and small business PCs. I didn't do big networks. I did do some dial-up and some high-speed internet and DSL. I did do a lot of small businesses as far as repairing systems and machines. I don't do a lot of networking. I do know how to do it, but I just didn't have time. I was a one-man shop with one part-time person. And after I lost that person and they could no longer help me in my job, I kind of just lost my heart. I'd worked in the computer industry half my life. And after that time, I was offered a better job doing computer repair and selling insurance for another company. And so that's what I do for a living now. But I still find many people reaching out to me and needing help. And that's why I'm here. How did I do it? Just like the video says, I did it in black and white. So see this line up here? It's not just a catchphrase. It's kind of a mantra for me. I try to break it down in black and white so that anybody can understand what's going on. Not everybody has the technical ability to be able to know what this is or what that is or what it means. Too many people out there use technical speak and make something feel like, wow, this is a great big thing beyond my control. It's really not. I can help you understand it by breaking it down and giving you examples of everyday things that are similar to your computer so you can understand what it is and what you need to do. Why online and why now? Well, in my little shop here in my little small town, I have maybe 60, 80,000 people that I could influence. I had some people that would travel from distances, but most of all just in my own little hometown in the central state of Washington here. But now there's thousands of people nationwide, As computer stores and computer repair shops are disappearing, the answer that most people have is, oh, just go buy a new one. Well, not everybody can afford a new one, and not everybody needs a new one, and new stuff is not always better. So why online and why now? Because I want you to understand that you can repair about 90% of your own computer yourself. You can do your own maintenance, and you can do a lot towards helping your computer be dependable, fast, and fun. I'm tired of seeing people turn around and saying, well, I had to buy another one, and I spent $300 here and $500 here and $1,000 here. And the kid down at this store said, hey, you're a smart person. If you're smart enough to play this video, you're smart enough to repair your own computer. And the information I'm giving to you as a thank you for 25 years is free. Now, don't get me wrong. I like make money like anybody else, but I will never charge for any of these videos out there. If I do have an affiliate link, I'll tell you. It's an affiliate link. If you don't want to use it, that's fine with me. I do put a lot of time and effort into trying to make these videos helpful and fun. Now, what I won't do is I won't be able to make big flashy videos with lots of animation and entertain you. If you think these videos are for entertainment, I'm sorry, you picked the wrong guy. But if you want to save money and you want to save it now and you'll be able to repair your computers and do maintenance for your wife and your children and your friends and your family, I'm the guy. So do me a little favor, would you? I want you to click the subscribe button down below. I want you to tell your friends and your family, hey, there's this guy that'll give you all kinds of information for the last 20 years on to repair your own computer. He's going to talk about backups and networks and removing viruses and how to repair your own computers and how to make it faster. And for that, I thank you ahead of time, and I will thank you every day for trying to help me to help you to be able to make your personal computer more fun. Thank you for watching, and look forward to new videos coming very, very soon. Thank you.